Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to track customer deposits in QuickBooks Enterprise. So you can come to the top, you can click on customers, and then just click here on receive payments, okay? And then you just choose who you receive this amount from. Let's say it is this person right here, Hamby Shane. Okay, I'll click on this and you choose the payment amount that they have sent to you. So let's say, for example, 5,500. We'll do that as the number. Okay. So that's the number that they're paying. You can choose the date. And what this will do, okay. So this is money received from customers for orders not yet completed, right? So there's no unpaid transactions for this customer. So we are going to record this amount. So there's an overpayment. So we can choose either to leave this as a credit to be used later or refund the amount to the customer. We'll choose this one. Use as credit. It will be credited to their account. You can choose, of course, how they paid as well. So once we close this, okay, you can say right here, you can record it. Click on yes. You can, of course, save it from there as well. So we'll save that. Click on OK. And this has actually been recorded to their account. Okay. So that way you can keep track. And really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.